Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use swept cut. We use this command to remove material by sweeping a closed profile. We will continue from where we left in the last video. First, let's create the profile we want to sweep. Select this face, and sketch. Select normal. Select the circle tool, and draw a small circle here. Click OK. Hold the Shift key and select this circle and the origin, and add the horizontal relation. OK. Now exit from the sketch. Now we will create the path. So select the front plane, sketch. Select normal. We will use the spline command. If you want a better view, you can cut this section. Go to sectional view and click OK. Now create a curve using the spine tool. This is the path we will use. Just go to Exit Sketch. Now we will see how to use the swept cut command. Select it. The path already select. Now we will select the profile. This is how the cut will appear. There are more options here, similar to the swept boss base command we learn in lecture 32. Guide curves and thin feature can be used to create holes. For now we will only create a simple hole. Click OK. See, this is how a swept hole is created. Uncheck sectional view, and see how it appears on a solid body. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.